Awa. Look there. You know see how that? Tony and who that? Marcus Wallace.
What? Where am I doing?
Amia ask Miss Sanders. She's not even there.
All right. Good evening, Minister Wallace.
Good evening, how are you?
I'm fine.
Miss Brissett. Miss Brissett, how are you? It's good to see you, man. What are you doing here?
I work here. I thought you knew that.
How would I know that, Miss Brissett? There's no way for me to know that. I've never seen you here before.
Wow. I've been here for a couple of months and I've never seen you here either.
Well, a friend of mine suggested that this place is quite jumping and the food is very good here. So that's the reason why I'm here. Because their word is good.
Oh, that's good. And may I ask who the friend is?
I don't think you would know that person, but the truth of the matter is that that person has a lot of experience in this industry.
Oh, well, I'm the entertainment manager here.
Entertainment manager? Really? What is this? A side hustle for you? The agency is inactive or something?
Well, put it this way. We're on a sabbatical.
I didn't know you were a religious person. So you took the break based on the fact that it's Easter? A sabbatical, I mean, sorry.
Sometimes we need to fast and pray.
That's good. Fasting is very important. And I'm curious, are you the only one here? What happened to your team members? Whisper and Tonya.
Minister, are you fasting or fasting? They're here with me. I got them on to assist me.
It's very good. It's quite admirable. You seem to have a lot of pull, looking out for your team members and ensuring that their basket is never empty. I like that.
Minister Wallace, would you like a tour of the place?
As a matter of fact, I would love a tour.
This way, please. Oh, don't leave your phone. I like the pictures you were looking on earlier. So, as you can see, we just had our first anniversary and it went very well. We had Tanya Stevens.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry I missed that.
It was a fabulous show. Now, right here is a photo op spot for us. Still under construction with, cushions. We're going to paint over. As you can see, it is under renovation at this point in time. Along here is our lounge. Let's take a walk. We make sure it is properly groomed and
I love this facility. It's
Thank
nice.
you very much. See?
What was me that feed the post? Hi, Minister Wallace.
Hi, Tony. So, where's the cat?
See how you should come back for more. Hi, post.
I was actually giving Minister Wallace a tour of the place. You want to join us?
No, you have to go up on the floor. Bye, Minister.
Bye, Tony. Everything is okay with her?
Yeah, man, she's okay. She's quite. That's how Tonian is. She likes to feed the cats, but I tell her, don't indulge them. But we can continue the tour this way.
Sure. Weird kid.
So this is where we do our dance sessions.
Okay.
We also use the space as dining once it starts raining.
Miss Brissett, I really and truly love this space. The place itself has this cultural feel to it. It's almost as if we should be marketing it. You have your trophies over, you have a bar area, you have the carvings. I think this is something that the government should get behind. We could put a proposal together and just let me know. I like the feel of this place.
Marcos, why are you really here?
All right. So you want to cut to the chase. My question, Miss Brissett. Are you hiding in plain sight? Because why are you here?
Hiding in plain sight? The agency is inactive, so we had to look work elsewhere. Hence why I'm here.
The other day there was a sting operation. An incident that took place at FedEx. And from my recollection of how you guys operate, it had your fingerprints written all over it. You wouldn't know anything about that now, would you?